Hi everyone, my name is Venkat. First of all, thank you everyone for giving this opportunity, especially for Ram Krishna garu for inviting me. So I came afternoon 3 hours back, but I felt very good. And I mean, it's not completely new for me. Meditation, like during my engineering days, I used to go for few days because the similar center was there where I was studying. So but yeah, but after many years, I've been doing the meditation here. It is kind of new, and I, I mean, I felt sleep sometime, but later, like I was in energetic, like I feel relaxed after doing meditation. Yeah, um, yeah, it's nice to learn and coming back and doing this meditation. Thank you, Alan.